Hi everyone, I'm Devon Andrews. I'm the Community Engagement Manager for Charleston County Public Library, and I'm joined today with my wonderful assistant Elliot, and we are going to be making a key lime cheesecake today.
I got boo-boo on my head, my nose, and on my arm.
If it's your first time joining us, Elliot usually likes to start these videos by updating everyone about his boo-boos. So he does have a pretty good one on his head from playing basketball yesterday, but he's getting better and better, right?
When I was playing basketball, I hit my head on the cement, and then I ate a popsicle so it can dry off.
Yeah, eating a popsicle always heals all our wounds, right? And he's excited to help me make this key lime cheesecake today. So Elliot, your first step, please, I need you to put 10 graham crackers in the bag.
1. Is that 10 graham crackers?
You know that's not 10.
Is it?
I'll help you though, since that's a lot. You've got 3 in there so far, okay? This one's, let's see, 4, 5,
Let's
6.
do the square one.
Okay, 7, 8, 9, and one more, 10. Cool. So we're gonna use these graham crackers to make a graham cracker crust. And you can of course buy pre-made.
Don't get on the egg.
No, we'll put them in the egg.
Where do we put the eggs in the bowl?
We'll wait for that step in a little bit.
Hey, stop, lady, stop.
Cooking with dogs, they always want to help you catch any crumbs you drop. Okay, so you can buy, of course, pre-made graham cracker crust at the store, or you can even buy the crumbs already crushed. But it's easy and a little cheaper to just crush them ourselves. Do you want to help me?
No.
Help me roll this so you can squish all the graham crackers.
I want to do it myself.
Okay, let's see.
I'm squishing all.
You are. Good work.
Then we got all.
Let's see.
Let's pour it in the bowl.
We're actually going to put them in our pan.
Well, are we going to put the eggs in this bowl?
Yeah, but we're not to that step yet. First, we got to make our tasty graham cracker crust.
I'm going to do the eggs in a much neater bowl. Are we going to do all these eggs? Why?
Yeah, we're going to use 4 of them today.
Well,
You could help me crack 4 eggs.
oh. But I don't want to need your help.
You don't need my help?
I don't need you to crack it like this.
Okay, we'll let you do that part all by yourself.
Hey, Rob, wake me. Don't wake me.
He's not bothering you. He just wants to help us too.
He can't get, Bobby don't help. Why? Bobby don't help.
But he wants to try.
Like,
Okay, I think we've got our graham crackers all crushed.
it looks like sand.
It does look like sand, you're right. Probably tastes a little better though, right?
Well, let's pour it in the bowl.
Okay, let's do it. Now we got our springform pan. We're gonna pour our graham cracker crust in there. You gonna help me? Good work. Get the other side. Yeah. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay, now.
Whoa, we can dig it too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of
now-
melted butter.
Now it looks like a volcano.
Oh, a volcano. Okay, and then
Now it got red lava.
red lava. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of shredded coconut to this. And if you're not a fan of coconut, you don't need it. You can just use the butter and the graham cracker crumbs. But I love coconut, and I think the sweetness of the coconut is going to help with the tartness of the filling for the pie. So I'm going to do about a tablespoon. Actually, let's see, that's 1 tablespoon.
Now it looks like a cheesecake.
2. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons.
Now it looks like a cheesecake.
Yeah, that's what it's going to be. I'm glad that's what it's starting to look like. Okay, we're going to give this a little mix.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Are you not going to make mixer, sir?
I am going to do the mixer, but not yet. We're gonna mix it all together so the butter gets combined.
You're not gonna use a mixer. Is that the mixer? Your spoon?
Yeah.
Only that's gonna be a mixer.
Yes. You got it. Okay, you wanna help me press it down?
But the other mixer is too loud.
Yeah, it is. You wanna help me press it?
No.
No? It smells really good, doesn't it? I love coconut.
I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, so we're just gonna press it along the bottom and up the sides just a little bit of the pan to give us a nice crust.
Mom.
Uh-huh.
After that, we can do an egg.
Yeah, it's almost time for the eggs. Okay, so I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator while we make our filling. So we're gonna now we've got 4 bricks of cream cheese we're gonna add to this bowl.
Whoa, I got egg.
Okay, but don't crack it yet, okay?
Mom, it's interesting.
What's interesting about it?
There's some eggs in there.
Yeah? Where do eggs come from?
Where?
Where do they come from?
Where? Tell me.
I think you know.
From a syrup tree?
The syrup tree!
What? I don't know.
They come from birds. Like, those eggs come from chickens, and then other birds lay eggs too.
Are they chicken eggs? Bok, bok?
Yeah, they are.
Are there chickens in there?
No, there's no chickens in there.
But what if there is?
Oh.
Are they gonna crack them in this bowl?
No, we're gonna crack them in your little bowl. As soon as I can get this cream cheese open. There we go. Check it out.
I'm not gonna put it in my mouth.
Don't do that.
Only the candy egg, the chocolate inside. Then I can put that in my mouth.
Okay.
But this is not it. There's the chocolate inside.
We've got our 4 bricks of cream cheese.
Now can we do it?
Let me see. Almost. Not quite yet. Well, first, I need your help making lime juice. Okay, so will you set that over to the side?
Lime juice.
Lime juice. This is going to be fun. So I've got a bag of key limes. And you can, if it's easier for you to find at the store, you can use
Whoa.
already bottled key lime juice.
Whoa, it's cool.
It is cool, isn't it? They're tiny. Or if it's hard to find key limes, I read online that people made this recipe with regular lime juice or even a mix of lime and lemon juice, and it turned out great every time. So there's some flexibility.
I'm gonna cut one white and see a lime juice. Can I cut one by myself with
No,
them?
you can't use the knives, but you can see the ones I cut.
Okay.
So we're just gonna cut a couple of these.
Mom, I found one. I was holding that one. Cut that one.
Okay. Do they smell good?
And I'll get this one.
Okay.
This is a good one. This is a, and then get this one and then this one.
Okay. We can do that.
Mmm, smells good.
It does smell really good, doesn't it?
Are we just now this one?
Okay. Okay, we need to get the juice from inside, right? Because we don't want the whole lime, we just want some juice. So let's try this. Let's put a couple of them in here. Yeah, facing down. Let's see if that works. And then we're gonna squeeze. We did it.
I didn't take one.
Okay. Here, and we'll put the...
I want to do one with that.
Okay, you do that while I cut the limes and try to squeeze it into the jar or into the cup. So you just want to hold it, yeah. So but flip it over so the holes are over the cup, and then squeeze it. You're doing it. Good job. Now don't. Let's see. There we go. That's great, Elliot. And while you're doing that, I've got one regular lime, and I'm going to get the zest, just the zest of the lime, and add it to our creation. And if you've zested things before, you know you just want to get the green part or the colored part of the peel. And when you start to see the white, stop zesting because the white part is bitter. But the green part, or the colored part of the peel, depending on what you're zesting, gives some good extra flavor. You're doing a great job.
Now look what happened.
Check it out. Look at that.
I'm smushed.
Smell that. Smells really good, doesn't it?
Look, he said, I'm smushed.
I'm smushed. Okay, we've got all of our key limes juiced and in our cup. And just because we don't want to waste this tasty regular lime, we'll add that, thank you, sweetie, to the mixture. So it's given us about a half a cup of juice altogether.
Can I do that one? Can I do this one?
Yeah, you can.
Can I then one?
Put it upside down though. There you go, so the juice will squeeze out.
No.
Okay.
Like this?
Yes, just like that. You got it. Now squeeze. Squeeze. It's harder, isn't it, than those little ones were. Here, let me help. Oh, we're doing it. Good work. All right, thank you. So now we'll add our juice to our cream cheese and lime zest. Yum, yum. And now we're gonna need some sugar. So we are going to use
sugar.
Sugar.
Can I sugar? I want to use the sugar.
Okay, so we need about a cup and a quarter. So let's fill it up. Oh, watch where you're pouring it. Okay.
Are we doing all? Mom, don't waste.
I won't waste it. Okay, okay, that's gonna be about perfect. Maybe a little short, so we'll see. And we get our big spoon. Scrape it all out.
Now, can we do it?
Almost. We're just about 30 seconds away from your favorite part, the eggs. First, we've got our lime peel, our sugar, our cream cheese. Oh, cornstarch. We need
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. Yes.
I'm gonna.
Let's see. We need 1 tablespoon. So that's a half tablespoon there. So we're gonna do 2 of those. Okay.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
I know it's yummy, but I can't taste it. Cornstarch.
I don't know how yummy it is, but it's a helpful baking ingredient. Okay, put that one in there.
Oh.
And then
Another one?
yeah, 1 more. It's your drill full, then we'll level it off. Okay.
Wahoo.
Good job, sweetie.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Look.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it for a second with the mixer, and then we are going to add the eggs. Okay. We're gonna mix it on low.
But the ground is shaking.
The ground is shaking.
And we're about to back up and do that. Back up, don't back up. I don't want to back up.
Yummy, look at that. Okay, so the eggs are cracked and our hands are clean, and we're gonna add them slowly,
No.
one at a time, to our cream cheese mixture. And we're gonna mix it just on low. We don't wanna overmix this, because that can make it crack in the oven. Keep it on low, just mixing it in. It's just open. Hello, Kettle. Okay. Again, we don't want to overmix it because that can make it crack when you're baking it. So we'll just finish mixing by hand a little bit. And
no, baby. No.
Elliot, he's fine. He just wants, anytime there's food involved, he wants to be involved too, right? I'm gonna ask my off-camera assistant to hand me the crust from inside the fridge, please. And we're gonna pour it in. So we're gonna pour it in the...
Did you say frog?
I don't think I said frog. I think I said fridge. Thank you.
Did you say...
Look at that. So we're gonna pour this on top.
Snowy pizza?
The snowy pizza. What does that mean?
Said snow.
So we're gonna pour.
Mom, snow is on your hand, your eye, and your mouth, and your whole body.
Oh my goodness.
And your bones.
And my bones?
Mhm.
All right, so we've got it spooned in there, smooth it out, and we're going to...
I'm almost a big skeleton.
We're gonna put it in the oven for about an hour. And to keep it from cracking, I read online, I've never made a cheesecake before, we're in this together, that you put a shallow dish of water in there underneath the cheesecake and it can keep it from cracking too. So we will put it in the oven for about an hour, then we're gonna crack the oven at least 4 inches, turn the oven off, and let it sit for about 30 minutes. And then we'll take it out and we'll show you what it looks like. All right. Okay, we're back. Our cheese... Our cheesecake baked for an hour in the oven, then we let it sit for 30 minutes with the oven door open, about 4 inches. And now it's gonna sit in the refrigerator until we're ready to fully eat it, but it turned out great. It does have a crack in it, even despite my best efforts, but that's okay because it's just for us, right? And you wanna try it?
I already tried a bite.
You wanna try a bite?
No, I already tried one.
Oh, okay, I'll try it. Super good. You'll notice it has a crack and then a tiny fingerprint from someone putting their finger in there and trying it already. But it's very good. Not too tart.
It was me.
It was you?
Mm-hmm.
I wondered. And I think it'd be really good maybe with some whipped cream to, if people that don't like the tartness as much. But it's very tasty. And thanks for hanging out with us. We'll see you again later.